Maybe still sleeping, thinking it's still vacation. Yeah, sure.
Morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Please take your seat. Jane.
Present, sir.
Jake.
Here comes the lay students running up to the class while shouting.
Present, sir.
Late again, both of you. I have to teach you a lesson, otherwise you will repeat it. Please take your notes and write down the points you understand.
Mr. Smith, could you explain how the war impacted the economy first?
Alright, Jake, but all of you be careful. The unit test is going on, and you have to be very careful about the time and place where it started and ended. So it's much better if you take down notes.
Do we really have to take down notes? It's so boring.
Shan's right. Who cares about this anyway? I think it's interesting, but I don't want to say anything.
Silence. Shana J, your negative attitude is disrupting the class. We need to respect everyone's opportunity to learn here.
Fine, we'll be quiet. This is so ridiculous.
Attitude is everything, guys. If you approach this with a positive mindset, you might actually find it interesting.
Yeah, I used to think that history was boring, but once I started paying attention, I realized it is really important.
Sure, Jane, you are just a nerd.
Shan, I think Jean has a point. Maybe we should just try to listen.
Let's take a moment to think about our attitude which affect our learning environment. Jane and Lisa are showing respect towards each other and willingness towards the studies, which creates a positive atmosphere. Then about you guys, Shan and Jay, your negative attitude is making it harder for you and everyone.
I guess I never thought about it that way. Yeah, I didn't realize we were affecting others too.
It's okay to have different opinions, but let's try to be more open-minded. We are here to study, and a positive mind can make a big difference.
I'll try to be more positive. Me too.
Great. Don't try. Make it to the top. Great. Now let's get back to World War II and see how it shaped the world we live in today.